In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language to English in Taobao. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, which is taobao.com. And as you can see over here, nothing is really in English. I think this is in Chinese. So what you want to do over here, if you want to translate the page and see everything in English, you have two options. In case you can see this icon up top over here, which says translate this page, click on that. And then you will see it's currently in simplified Chinese, but then you can also select which language you want. So you want to click on those three dots over here, and then you can want to click choose another language. Over here, it's currently in French. You want to just select English, so scroll down. There we go, there's English. Click on that, and then click on translate. And then after you do that, there we go, everything has now been translated into English. However, if you cannot see this button up here, what you can do is just click on any blank space on this website. So for example, over here, and then if you right click, you can see it will say translate to English or to whichever language it will say. Click on that, and then you'll see this exact same pop-up. You can select English from the languages, and now you've got your website in English, and you can start using it and actually understand what it says over here in case you can't speak Chinese. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.